Hey, to pair your Redmi Watch 3 Lite with your iPhone, first of all, on your Redmi Watch you have to select the language, so in my case it will be English, and here we can scan the QR code, but also we can scroll down and click on this information icon, and here we got the name of the application that we have to download, so that's the Mi Fitness app. So now on your iPhone you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to open the App Store, go to the search, and find Mi Fitness app. Now let's search for this application, and there it is. That's the application that we have to download on our iOS device. Click on the install button and now input your password to confirm. Then you have to tap to sign in. And here we are. The verification is done. Right now our iPhone is going to download this application, so it will take a few moments. Just be patient and wait. Okay, and when the download is finished, we have to go into the application. So let's click on this blue button to open application. Click start. Accept this user agreement. Now select your region, so click on this icon, and from here you can use search or slide and select your region. In my case it will be Poland. Then click next, and from here you have to click to add the device. Click OK. So basically you have to enable the Bluetooth permission, and we have to select the wearables and click to add the device, and now we have to sign in into the Xiaomi account. So click OK. Now we have to input our Xiaomi account mail. And next we have to click on the password. And when you do this, you have to click on this button and of course accept the user agreement one more time, and then you have to tap to sign in. Now we can save our password and use a location, so accept both permissions. Here we've got this pairing request, so on our watch we have to select on the switcher and the same on this button. Accept another permission, and you can not save password and turn on synchronization Now it is connecting, so just wait. Okay, for me, honestly, it takes too much time. We have to just go back from this one, and let's try to click to connect one more time. Okay, for some reason it doesn't work, so click to unpair, remove your device, and just repeat. Click to add device. Now it is still searching for our device. We can try to add the model manually. We have to select the Redmi Watch 3 active. It is searching for our device. But if it doesn't work, we are going to restart our watch, and I guess we have to do this because that's definitely some kind of the issue. So to restart, just click on this information icon, tap to factory reset, confirm. Now go back from this search because it's definitely not working properly. There we are. So select English one more time, and from here click to add device another time. Select the Redmi Watch 3 active, click OK. Now go to the Bluetooth. From the other devices list, unpair this previously connection and select restart the Bluetooth because we have the two watches, and select now the watch, accept pair on the iPhone, accept pair on the watch. And now it looks like we have to go into this Mi Fitness application. So let's try to select one more time. Accept another time. Accept another permissions. Honestly, it works really hard. I mean, it's hard to connect this watch with the iPhone. I was almost going to be mad. On the Android, it goes definitely faster. Here we have this short preview. Click done. And looks like we are finally connected. Damn, it takes a lot of time. I guess I'm recording this video around 5 minutes. Normally it takes like 1 minute. But yeah, here we are connected, and that's basically it right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.